Oh, hey. I was just playing with my new Canon EOS-R. This thing is so effing soft. All that and more coming up here on The Morning Jolt. What's up, guys? Mark back here with yet another video. Today, we're talking about the Canon EOS-R. So the reviews and all that, they've started to roll in. Oh, wow, Canon. Man, have you... Boy, you have really done it. Let me just say right here and right now, Canon has messed this up royally. I have said this on multiple different occasions. Canon had the perfect opportunity to do something absolutely mind-blowing. And what did they do? They gave us a $2,300 piece of shit. Come on now, you got to tell the truth. This thing, seriously, this thing is losing focus all over the place. It's like, what's over there? I don't know. I'm just focusing on something. What's over here? Oh, here I am. Okay, cool. Okay. That thing hunts more than a blind bloodhound. That didn't even make any sense. So yeah, I keep checking out all the... Man, I'm so glad that I didn't, like, get a chance to hardcore review it, because it's just like, what's the point? Like right now, I'm shooting on the Canon M50 with the kit lens. All I have to do is look at that screen, and I know for a fact I can move my hand, like, right there, and it tracks whatever, and then, oh, look, right back to the face. Not with that one, not with that Canon EOS-R. Oh, my God. Poor Jordan. I watched their video. Poor Jordan. He was trying really hard. I don't know what the hell. He was probably thinking, oh, well, this is going to be exactly like, you know, Canon's regular dual pixel autofocus. This thing is going to latch on like a wild rabid dog. It didn't. It didn't even come close. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Not to mention, man, that thing was so soft. With the video, like, it was soft as shit. I can't even begin to figure out what the hell was going on. How is it possible that you just create new technology with bigger, more expensive lenses and you get it soft? I mean, some people are just soft, really. It's just you try. I mean, wake up, little guy. It's time to dance. No. It's soft. That's literally Canon right now. A bunch of people were saying, yeah, well, if you're already in the Canon ecosystem and you just want to stay in the family. I happened to watch, what was his name, Sawyer Hartman's video. Man, that guy was trying to make excuses all over the place. He was all like, yeah, I really want this camera to replace my Canon 1DX Mark II or whatever, and he was like, no, not even close. Not even going to come close. And I think it's hilarious that the entire time that he was doing the review, he was recording it on the 1DX Mark II. I mean, seriously, if you guys go and you check out that review, I mean, I like Chris and Jordan. I think they tried their best to make it look as good as possible, but holy crap. I mean, it was just like pulsing. Autofocus. I'm new Canon's autofocus. This is dual pixel. Sign. I mean, what were you all thinking? Seriously, do you guys not have, like, internal photographers that will take your all's gear out and go give it a shot first? How do you let that hit the market? How do you put that into a bunch of hands? How do you let people? You gave them an opportunity, like me, to sit here and talk shit about. Like, seriously, anyone that has watched any of those review videos, who's considering buying that camera? Like, seriously, only the worst of the worst are buying this camera. Only the sycophants, the ones that absolutely can't get out, the ones that are just cursory challenged when it comes to mirrorless. Like, I want to challenge. I want to challenge my photography and my videography skills. Come on, man. There's no way you're looking at that review and going, oh my God, I can't wait to get my hands on that. Seriously, that's a half-baked camera. That thing's not even worthy to be on a store shelf, in my opinion. Come on, it is 2018. Those kind of issues, those kind of problems should not be happening, especially with Canon. Canon owns dual pixel autofocus technology, and that thing was all over the place. I mean, that was the one thing you all had right. That was the one thing you all did the best. And then they did a couple of side-by-side shots between the GH5 and the Canon. I mean, who's picking the Canon over the GH5 if those were the comparisons? I mean, that just goes to show you all. For those of you all that shoot video, the sensor size really does not matter. Going to full frame to improve your image quality doesn't really matter. It is not an indicator of quality. Period. End of story. If you guys still think that, you're dumb. And you are stuck in a bandwagon and you're trying to justify a purchase. You can use seriously cropped micro four thirds, you can use medium crop APS-C style cameras, or you can pick up this Canon EOS-R and be like, hey man, is my footage good? Oh, I mean, it's not great, but I mean, I can at least rest my head on this soft ass camera. This is good. Yeah, it's a great camera. I love this camera. It's so soft. The best part of it is you take it on a plane, you can just use it as your airline pillow. What the? Really? Come on. Who's buying this camera? I mean, is anyone even wondering at this point why Sony is wrecking it? Not to mention the whole Nikon debacle with all of your all's Tamron lenses not being compatible with the new Nikon Z. Canon and Nikon have fallen so far from where they came from. These cameras are a joke. It's like they've had all this time. This is inexcusable for two camera companies with as many resources as they have. Canon and Nikon should have done better. They should have put out a better product. This is absolutely inexcusable. They had all this time to watch and learn. And what did you all do? It's literally like you all got drunk on the day you decided to make these cameras and you just put something on a piece of paper and went, oh, looks good. I mean, this looks pretty good. Anyone that is looking at these reviews and making them okay, if you're normalizing this terrible, terrible behavior, you are a lie. You are a straight up lie. Look, I know y'all want to go on good trips. I know y'all want to go and see palm trees and get coconut seeds and all that shit. It's a lie. These cameras are an absolute travesty, and you all should be ashamed of yourselves. I mean, I'm going to tell you all the truth. Like, I have not ever had, seriously, I've never had much faith in Canon for quite some time now. But this goes beyond neglect. As of this point, the Canon M50 for video, for vlogging, hell, even for stills, is the better option. If you're looking to upgrade from whatever it is you've got, if you've got a Canon 6D Mark II, the best path for you for an upgrade is the Sony a7 Mark III. Just sell all your shit and get yourself a Sony camera. That's assuming that you want to go from APS-C to something larger. Hell, but if you want to stay with APS-C, it's the Fujifilm X-T3, period. Boom, hands down. You know, I told myself that I wasn't going to take a dump on anybody this week, but yeah, I mean, it is just ridiculous how much of a travesty this thing really is. Oh, God, Jesus. Hold up, I got to take a picture. All right, looks good. Okay, looks good. Canon and Nikon have really done it to themselves. I don't know what the hell's going on. I don't know, like, is this the Twilight Zone? How is it even possible that two of the biggest camera brands on the planet could fail so hard? Sorry, boys, but as far as I'm concerned, the Canon EOS-R, that's Canon EOS retarded. I don't know how they could have fallen so far so fast. I mean, it is just sad. Canon U was pretty solid back in the Canon 5D Mark II days. I mean, it was just absolutely revolutionary, but I don't know what the hell's happened now. Hey, but at least you can say you tried, and that's what counts. Not. Alright guys, so that's all I've got for you all today. Hope you guys enjoyed the show, and if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you happen to enjoy this content. Anyway, thanks for watching yet another Morning Jolt here on The Photo Video Show. I'm your host, Mark Pug, and I'm going to see you guys again on the next one. Peace out.